Hi guys, today I've decided to do a Q&A session with my husband. Would you like to introduce yourself?
So
He's
I'm
Tejas.
I'm Tejas Deshazad.
Oh, that's his identity now. I'm glad. So, without wasting much time, let's get right onto the task because we have a lot of questions and a lot of juicy questions. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so are you ready?
Yes,
Ready? You
Yes.
don't sound confident.
because I'm very tensed.
Okay, I'm equally
Let's go
dense.
for it.
What is he going to answer? Because this is the first time we are doing. We are married since like 1.5 years. In January 2019, we got married, and we have never done this kind of exercise. So yeah, this is like the first time. So it's like testing waters for him. So maybe he's little tensed. if it's my turn, I think I'll be equally tensed.
So you shall leave the paper. so
No,
that I
I've
can
not.
prepare for it.
Okay, let me even tell you this that he does not know what are the questions. He's completely unaware. So it's going to be really a fun task. So yeah, let's start it.
Yeah.
Okay, here is your first question. Can you name 2 or more of your partner's grandparents?
2 or more.
Yeah, any side, like either it be Nana Nani or Dada Dadi or anybody, any side. Like 2 of them you have to name.
Your grandparents.
Yeah, my grandparents. It's all about me, dude. This quiz is all about me. So obviously, your grandparents you would know, right? Like, there's no fun in that.
Sorry.
You don't know. First question, clean bowl. Let's move to next question. Second question. It is: do you know the stresses your partner's facing right now? Like any of the stresses you want to mention? Like it can be 1, 2, like anything which you're aware of, which I'm going through.
The stress she is going through, she currently is probably, when will the pizza come? It's been like probably an hour and it's not
So
yet
clearly
come.
he does not know. So he's just trying to bring it on the fun side. He's not aware.
Yes,
On a
I'm
serious note, if you
aware.
want to answer this question,
Then
are you aware of any of the stress that I go through?
yeah,
Like in a couple of
obviously,
weeks or days or months, you might have seen
work stress.
work stress. Okay, I can give him a point for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it can be. Okay, but that was like the easiest go. Like work stress, everybody who's working is going through work stress. So
Yeah.
okay. Third question is: do you know what your partner's favorite Bollywood movie genre is?
Bollywood, it's Bollywood genre, I know. Romance, yeah.
Romance? Yeah, you got it correct. Okay. Do you know your partner's favorite dessert? Come on, this is easy.
Red velvet cheesecake or cupcake. Red velvet cupcake is what I know she's really fond of. But then
Okay.
I introduced her to red velvet cheesecake and she liked that on her birthday.
Introduce, dude. I already had it before.
No, when red velvet
Yeah,
cheesecake,
yeah.
when did you have?
Okay, and about Indian sweets, what do I like? It's not even a
Gulab
question.
jamun.
Oh, that was very easy for me. Okay. The other question is now: do you know 3 places your partner would love to visit?
Yeah. One is Greece. Then is probably Switzerland.
Oh, bang on.
Third
And in
one-
the same order which he mentioned, yeah.
And third
That's
one.
good.
Third one, which I want to go with you. but-
No. It's all about me. No, it's not about you. What I would like to visit.
Out of curiosity, I think Vegas.
Vegas? No.
Yeah.
I'm not curious to visit Vegas. I mean, I would like to, but I'm not that curious. Like it would be on my list, but not in top 3.
So which is
Do you want to give one more try?
Bali.
Not at all. We have been to Mauritius already. It's kind of similar.
No,
Okay. The third one is New Zealand.
New Zealand.
Yeah. Okay, the next question is: can you name all your partner's best friends? I mean, not all, if you can mention 1 or 2.
And there are 2. So
Which you know of.
Shweta and Farida.
Okay. Any more you know?
No, there aren't any.
Clearly, I've mentioned him only like these 2 being my favorites. But you forgot Priya. I've been saying
Priya,
Priya as well.
yeah,
Come on,
yeah.
how can you forget that?
Third one, yes.
Yeah. And do you know what your partner likes best about her work or job? What I like best about my job.
Best about your job. I think like for probably 5 months you were chilling. You don't have much work till it just came out right now, probably in the last 2 weeks.
No, it's not about a particular, I think you got the question wrong. It's not about a particular phase of the work, but anything related to my work that I like.
I think related to the work. Like clearly right now you don't have a good office. Otherwise earlier you were really fascinated with the kind of office you had and stuff.
Yeah, so earlier I was in Deloitte and they had a really good infrastructure. That's the only thing I like about my work, because I work in IT and I clearly do not like the work that I do. But it's just earning me bread and butter for now. But I'm clearly not interested in what I'm doing right now. So yeah, let's move on to next question. Do you know what food your partner does not like or cannot eat?
Does not like. Yeah, I know.
Or cannot eat.
Like I know for vegetable, gawar.
Okay. But apart from vegetable, if you come to cuisine or something which you think I do not like or I might not be able to eat it, any cuisine.
Since I've introduced you to all the cuisines, you like them.
You are like sounding like you have introduced me to everything. Before this, I was living somewhere in Mars or in some other space where I don't know anything. You know?
Yeah. So now, no, I don't think there's any particular cuisine which you do.
Yeah. So I don't think any cuisine. I can eat almost everything and anything that is edible. But yeah, as he rightly mentioned, if we come to veggies, so veggies also I think I eat most of them, like 90 to 95% of them. There's only like Karela and Gawar.
Karela.
Yeah, which I cannot eat. And I think that's common for everybody. Like, I mean, who can eat, hats off to them. And okay, next question is, it's your 10th question. Do you know how many times?
How many more to go?
That's another question. Okay, do you know how many times? No, I think this we can skip. Not now. Can you describe your partner's philosophy of life? What makes sense to her in this world? It's like a deeper question. Like, what is my philosophy of living a life?
Well,
What in this world makes the most sense to me?
living a happy life. I mean, living a larger than life sort of a. You know, enjoy larger than life experiences.
I think he got this correctly. It's like, it's one life,
Grand,
make it big.
grand
I like
experiences.
everything to be really grand and, you know, in abundance. So yeah. And okay, this is good. Do you know what your partner wanted to grow up to be when she was a child? This is easy. I have told you many times what I wanted to be and what my interests are.
Yeah, model.
Okay, so my clothes. I'm not actually
Actress.
a model,
Like
not
an
act.
actress.
I mean, I don't know, something
Something to
related
do
to
with-
glamour
yeah,
world.
glamour world,
Yeah,
yeah.
because I
Model,
like
yeah.
dressing up and, you know, everything, fashion. So yeah, something related to it.
Yeah, something related to fashion.
Yeah. Next one is, do you know what your partner is most proud of
Wait.
about herself?
Wait. Do this again. Being independent.
Okay, yeah, that's correct. It's one of the things. It's not the only thing, but it's one of the things. Okay, and now this is interesting. Do you know what your partner is most insecure about?
No sense it. Or
Googling.
losing her close ones.
Okay, that's a good one. Do you know what scent or smell your partner likes the most?
All of my fragrances.
Yeah, I like
Especially
everything
the
and
branded
everything he
ones.
wears.
No, I mean, yeah, especially so I have a separate section where I keep my, the unique ones, I mean, the ones which I like the daily wear and the ones which I preserve for special occasions. So she likes all the fragrances which I preserve for special
But
occasions.
especially UDB, I like UDB.
Yeah.
Yeah. And okay. Do you know which superpower your partner wished that she had?
To keep everyone happy at one time.
That's what I try to do each and every day.
Yeah.
I don't know, I pass on, but
That's a superpower which anyone and
would like to
everyone
have.
would
Yeah, correct. And this is the last one.
Oh wow.
So, can you talk in detail about your partner's dreams or life goals?
My goals is
In detail, whatever you can add.
yeah. So from what I know about Dasha, she is pretty ambitious. You know, like driven to achieve her goals, and she knows she's pretty clear in her head, sorted in a way what she wants, and she strives to always strives for perfection and tries to get there, and eventually.
It's my dream.
Once-
What is my life goal or my dream?
Your dream would be probably to become the best version of yourself and to achieve everything that would make you happy, and which would also keep other people happy around you.
Yeah, I think I can give that to you. So we are done with all the questions, and I hope you all like it. And if you all want us to do more such kind of videos, if you want me to do more questionnaires with him, do let me know. How was your experience?
So how did I do? I would like to know.
No, I really like it. I mean, he answered most of the questions.
Probably
I don't
this
know
is the
how I
first time
would
I
say.
figured in our interview, talking so much. Usually I'm the one who's just
Yeah,
doing
he's
the first
camera
time.
shy. First of all, he never comes in front of the camera. How much I love camera, he's always behind it. So now he has started coming in front because of me. So,
Yeah, so
I hope you enjoyed this
So
experience.
usually the one who's holding the camera and clicking the photos and videos. So this time I've got the privilege to at least participate in one. So thank
I
you
have
for
always
that.
told you to come in front of the camera. You're always shy.
Yeah, so
So
thank you for that.
I'll try to bring him more in front. I think he has clearly, even his friends say that he has now started showing up more on social media and pictures and all that. So maybe hopefully he builds more on that, and we are able to bring him back again for a good, interesting Q&A session again. So till then, stay tuned and bye from both of us.
Bye.
Bye.